One of the biggest mistakes when I first started building and making websites was I didn't have any trust building elements on my website. We see all the big companies in the world, they have the clear logo banners at the top of the website. They have testimonials. You might see something like a badge or reviews at the top, and that's because it increases trust. Now, if you increase trust, you're going to increase your conversions, because when someone trusts you, they're more likely going to work with you. If someone else works with you, then they can see, okay, if this person's worked with them, then that means they're a legit business, they're a legit person to work with. Whether you're, a web designer, a freelancer, whatever style you do or industry, trust is the biggest determining factor if you're going to bring in those clients. And if you don't have clients coming back over and over again, then you're always going to be searching for new clients. It's going to be hard. Like I remember my old websites. I remember I used to use WordPress back in the day, and I just tried to, put whatever review. I didn't really have any client reviews, so I'd have to try and just wait till I had clients to then be able to put their logos on my website. But anyway, that was a long time ago. Now I've got some really cool tools. And that's why I found this trust building tool called Proven Expert. It's really great because you can add it to your website in one click, and you can actually aggregate all your reviews from other platforms. So if you have Google reviews, or if you have reviews from, say, LinkedIn, you can actually connect it all together and have it in one profile. And I'll show you how to use it and put it on your website, because I believe that it's going to help build that trust. People are going to see the reviews, they can click on it, see your profile, and it's actually going to boost your conversions as a website designer, as a freelancer, and help you get more clients. So once you sign up to Proven Expert, you'll go through the prompts of the profile creation. They'll ask you your name, your address, all your details, your phone number, your company details as well. It'll ask you a bit about describing your services. So, you probably do web design, branding, logo design services. So make sure you put that. And you want to put in these details so your profile is full and it looks like a legit business. So make sure you go through that process. And then you can connect your social accounts. I like to connect my, say, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. I also have my website as well, and just so it can connect everything together. You can also add your Google review link as well, and it will extract some of the reviews from there. So once your profile is created, you'll get into the backend dashboard. It shows you all your recommendation rate. It shows you all your details in one view. So you can see your links, your videos, contact information, and this is where you can start to create your pro seals and your surveys to send to clients. So one of the things that I want to do is add a pro sale to my website. You want to go to reputation boost, and you can actually change the bar color. So what I did is change it to my branding colors. You can change it to whatever color you want. And you can alter the position on the browser. So you can move the bar to change the pixels, which is cool. So you can add your hex code in there. You can customize the layout and the look and feel. You can also adjust the mobile view as well. You can customize it all there. Once it's done, you want to publish, and you can just copy the HTML code. And what you want to do, you just want to paste it into your body tag code on your website. And once you've done that, you want to refresh the page, make sure you publish it, or else you might not be able to see it in the preview section. And once you've done that, you'll see the pro seal on the right side. It looks really nice. So it just sits there as a sticky navigation there, and you can click on it and it will show all the reviews just like that. It will show you all the reviews. It will show some of the recent reviews with a little slider there. You got the logo, and it's just a nice badge. Like, it's well designed and it's easy. They can click on it and it will take you to their to your profile. You can also create rating seals as well. So these are all look a little different. You can have a slider version. You can have a long version, maybe if you want to put it on sort of the browser or the footer or whatever. So you can select any of those, and it will be really easy to add that to your website. Now, if you want to send a client to get a review, you want to create a survey. So when you click on the survey menu on the left-hand side, it will take you to create a link there. And then when you can send that link, this is what it will look like. It will have all the stars for the different categories, so they can rate you on quality, value the service, and the communication, etc. And then that will pop up on your profile. And then you can always just share the link to your profile to anyone by just clicking the share profile button on the left-hand side of your profile. And you can always come back and customize your profile, but I think it's a really great way to build trust, connect with your potential leads and clients, and just always get reviews. So if you're a freelance web designer or graphic designer and you want to start getting more clients, get more click-through rate, then definitely try out Proven Expert. You can go to provenexpert.com or go to the link in the description. I got 25% off. Just use my code Jeremy25. I recommend using it even for your clients. Your clients can use it to put reviews on their website and put the pro badges as well. So definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description and start building more trust. And if you do want to see some other website tools, I've actually got a video right here that will share some of the best resources I've found to building a website.